Wait, what? All right, for those of you who normally follow my channel, you know that I am normally in front of the camera showing you all of the amazingness that is about to go into this fabulous recipe, oven-baked French fries. But things have changed, at least for the next 4 months. Public service announcement, please wear sunscreen. Yes, I was just diagnosed with malignant melanoma on my nose, and I have to go through 6 surgeries over the next 4 months. And let me just tell you, my face is a train wreck, but it will be fine. The good news is I will be fine. So for now, I've had to change up my style just a little bit, and let's get to it. Here comes the amazing oven-baked French fries. They're crispy, they're crunchy, they're fluffy on the inside, and they're bursting with flavor. Let's get to it. All right, well, first you've got to peel those russet potatoes, and it's okay if you leave a little bit of the skin on. It gives them a more rustic look, and then slice them in even slices. And we're going to go ahead and parboil them in a little bit of boiling salted water. And here's the secret. You're going to add a little bit of vinegar. It keeps its texture that way. Don't skip the step. Now add your potatoes. Let them simmer, and the full recipe is below in the description box below. After you've parboiled them, you want to drain them and then put them on a baking platter. And you do want to make sure you spread them out a little bit into a single layer. Drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil, and it honestly does not take much. And you're going to go ahead and pop them in a nice toasty oven. Now don't forget, you're going to want to flip them over halfway through so they cook evenly, and that will give you that nice crispy texture. And when they're done, you just want to drain them. Yeah, there's a little bit of grease there. That's okay. You just want to drain them on a paper towel, and then you're going to season them with a little bit of salt. Don't be shy on the salt. In fact, maybe add a little bit more. And make sure to pick the best one out to sample first. You're going to love them.